Hello everyone. The Supplier Dispute Management app helps business to create and manage and resolve dispute on any bill that has an issue, such as late delivery, wrong quantity or quality, or incorrect picking. User can create and dispute for a bill and hold payment for that particular bill. User can only make a payment for the bill once the dispute is resolved. After installing this module, let's do the setup for each and every user. So for that we need to get into the settings. Under user and companies we can see the users. So let's get into the Mitchell admin. For each and every user we need to enable this option. Once you have enabled this option, that user have an access to create and manage the dispute for the suppliers. Now let's get into the accounting. So from here, let's get into the vendor menu where you can see an vendor dispute. Before that, let's create an bill. Okay. Now let's add an vendor here. Okay. Now we need to add the product. So once everything is done, let's confirm this order. Now for this order, I'm going to create an dispute. So for that, we need to get into the vendor menu where you can see an vendor dispute. Let's create a new dispute by clicking on the new option which is available here. Now here we need to give the vendor dispute title, description, and also an vendor bill. Okay, so for 003 bill I'm going to create an dispute, and here I'm going to add the date and also the user who has created. Now let's move this particular vendor dispute to the dispute state. You can see here. Now if user tries to register payment for the bill that we have created, it will show an warning message like this, like some disputes are there for this particular vendor bill. Please solve the dispute in the order to register the payment. Okay. So now we need to get into the vendor dispute. So let's get into the one which we have created now. Okay. Which is in dispute state. So once the dispute will be completed, you can just click on the solved option. Now if user tries to complete that payment for that bill, now user have an access to complete a payment right away here. User can see and various types of filters and group by options are available in the vendor dispute. So for that, let's get into the vendor dispute where you can see there are multiple stages. Once we have created, it will be in the draft state. After you can click on the dispute, it will be goes to the dispute state. Once it will be completed, it will be in the solved state. Okay, and there are more filters like you can check by using the draft, dispute, and also solved. User can make use of these filters with a different options, and also there is an group by option. User can group by using the vendor dispute with different options like based on the user, based on the bill, okay, and based on the date wise, and also based on the status. So in this way, we can make use of this module to help business to manage and resolve disputes related to the bill with the suppliers. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about an accounting related module, check our browse info playlist to see all newly updated accounting features that we have. Thanks for watching.